Hi, this video will show you how to find the Luria Library's Communication and Mass Media Complete database and how to use it to find research articles from communication journals. Start at the library's homepage, library.sbcc.edu. Go to the plus Luria Library menu and select A to Z list of databases. Choose Communication and Mass Media Complete from the alphabetical list or under the list of featured databases. From off-campus, you will be prompted to log in with your pipeline username and password to access the database. Once you're in the database, search for articles about your topic using keywords only. Using full sentences or phrases will eliminate some relevant results. I'm using the term teenagers and conflict. Keep in mind that researchers might use different words than you or your textbook to describe the same topic. If you don't find enough relevant articles at first, try again using different words and search again. I found 45 results, but I'm curious how that would be different if I use the term adolescence instead. So I'm going to try that. This time I found 96 results. Skimming through these results, many of the sources look relevant, but they might not be recent research articles from communication journals. Use the filters below the search box to limit your results. To make sure you get current articles, limit by time to the past 10 years. To make sure you get scholarly articles, limit to peer-reviewed. To make sure you get articles from specific scholarly journals in the field of communication, select all filters. Scroll down and expand the section for publication. And check the boxes next to the titles of the specific journals that you want articles from. Once you've selected the journals you want, choose Update Selections and then Apply. Now I have 12 results, but I know that they're from recent communication journals, the specific journals that I selected. To find more information about an article in the results list, click on the title of that article, and you'll get to the record page where you'll see the title again, the name of the journal that the article was published in, the date it was published, the database we're in, the authors, and also options for accessing the full text. If you scroll down a little further, you'll find the subject terms assigned to this article. Subject terms are specific terminology used by the database to describe what the articles in the database are about. You can click on these subject headings or just use them as ideas to try other words in your search. If you scroll a little bit further, you'll find the abstract, which summarizes the article. Read the abstract to get a better idea about whether this article is relevant to your topic. If it is, you can open the PDF by clicking on the option to visit the full text viewer. The tools at the top of this screen allow you to print the article, download it, share it, save it, or cite it. To save a link to get back to this page, click on the share icon and then create link. To generate a citation in a specific citation format, click on the quotation marks icon. The default is APA style, but if you need a different citation style, you can choose the style that you need. To get back to the full record for the article, you can select the back button in the upper left. And then to get back to your search results, you can click on search results or results. And from there, you can look at other articles or you can continue experimenting with different search terms. If you have any questions about finding research articles in the Communication and Mass Media Complete database, ask a librarian for help. You can reach us right from the database by selecting the chat icon in the lower right. We look forward to hearing from you.